Okay, I am headed someplace that a lot of you have already been, but I never have been. Shh, it's a surprise, but I have my canoe. Pretty excited about this trip. It's been on my list for a long time. Off to a place I've never been before. I've looked at the route. There's a couple of bridges that I think I'm going to be afraid of, so I'm not sure. There are definitely ways around, so I may do that. We'll see how it goes, see how I feel. But I've always wanted to go to the, and I am going to do it. I'm going to go at my own pace. If I have to stop, I'm going to stop. If it takes me 3 days to get there, it takes me 3 days. I'm just gonna go at my own pace. Every summer I say I'm gonna go, and every summer comes and goes and I don't. And so I just found out on Friday that I have the week off, and I was like, you know what? I think this is gonna be the time. So I'm doing it. My daughter has a keychain that really is part of the inspiration for this. The keychain says, sometimes the fear won't go away, so you'll have to do it afraid. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it, and I'm a little afraid, but I'll be okay. So the first leg of the trip today is from my house to my daughter's house. She lives in the Chicagoland area, and I am about halfway there right now. Things are going well. The trip is going smoothly. I listen to church on YouTube, and yeah, rolling on. Stopped at Subway for lunch, and Unstoppable by Sia was playing over the loudspeakers, and I was like, yeah, that's a sign. I'm unstoppable today. Doing good. Just on the north side of Indianapolis here. It's a beautiful morning here in Chicagoland. I'm here at my daughter's place. Stayed overnight last night. Had a really nice dinner, a walk, and some gelato. Good night's sleep. Ready to hit the road this morning. Well, I'm on the road and heading west from Chicago on Route 90, and I'm going to go to Rutabaga Paddle Sports because I'm going to go right by there on my way to this undisclosed location. By now some of you are figuring it out. Good for you. I got my Rutabaga shirt on today. And yeah, I'm going to go from 6 lanes wide here to 2, and then gonna end up in Monona near Madison. Do a little shopping, and then get some lunch, and head the rest of the way to my destination today, which is Duluth, Minnesota, just over the Wisconsin-Minnesota border. I have arrived at the mothership.
Okay.
Okay, got a hat, got a bug net. Didn't buy the rain jacket or pants because I don't think it's going to rain, and if it does, I'll get wet. And didn't get a map because I was told, well, I looked, the maps are very detailed and there was like 12 of them, and I wasn't going to buy all 12 because it's 1,000,000 acres where I'm going. And I was told to ask the outfitters when I got there, so that's what I'm going to do. I bet a lot of you know where I'm going now, but we'll still keep it a secret for the moment. Long day, still driving. It's 6:15 p.m. and I'm almost to Duluth, middle of nowhere, Wisconsin. You can probably see out the back window. It's just gorgeous up here, and it's just been a beautiful day. 75 degrees right now, and just getting ready. It looks like the GPS is maybe another, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, and I will be in Duluth. So I am looking forward to getting out of this car. Well, I made it to Duluth. It was a long drive, but I made it here. Got me some dinner and getting ready to hit the hay. And tomorrow we get to our mystery destination. Only 1 hour and 51 minutes from here. Now I know you all know. So I checked out of my hotel. I'm leaving. I parked here in the oversized parking because my Canoe did not fit in the regular parking. So thankfully they have that. Packing up the car and headed to the next stop. Look at these beautiful flowers that are along the side of the road here. What a gorgeous, gorgeous setting. Oh, beautiful. So, welcome to the North Shore. I suppose by now you probably have figured out that I'm going to Ely, Minnesota. Hoping to go paddling in the Boundary Waters Canoe area. It's my first time, never been there, don't really know what it's all about. I've been to presentations, I've read things online, but never actually been there. So this is kind of a scouting trip. We'll see how it goes. Just want to see what's there, try to figure it out. Hope to get my paddle wet a couple times and figure it out so that I can come back here and spend more time. So we shall see. But about an hour out from Ely right now. I'm going to go in town and just try to pick up some information from some of the outfitters and yeah, see what I can learn. Look out, snowmobile crossing. There's going to be 4 more videos in this Ely series, so Stick around and stay tuned, and you'll see the other videos. In the meantime, if you want to watch one of these, you could click right here. Go ahead, click on them. This one's good. So is this one over here. You pick. I don't know, you pick. And that is how the videoing in the car goes.